Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Kia Sorento headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent burns. It's also a good idea to wear gloves for protection. Checking your owner's manual for the exact bulb type for your specific model is a crucial first step to ensure you have the right part. Now, let's get to the bulb. Open your Kia Sorento's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. Depending on your model, you might need to remove a few plastic clips or an air intake duct to gain better access. Use your screwdriver for any screws holding these components. Once clear, you will see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently press the tab and pull to disconnect it, being careful not to damage the wires. With the connector off, it's time to remove the old bulb. Many Kia Sorento models use a retaining spring clip that you'll need to unlatch. For others, you might twist the bulb 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise to release it. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Align the tabs and push it firmly into place, then secure it with the clip or by twisting clockwise. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, reattach any plastic covers, air ducts, or other components you removed earlier, making sure all clips and screws are secure. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Check both low and high beams. If everything looks good, you've successfully changed your Kia Sorento headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.